the next is the maximum and the minimum using divide and conquer strategy. So divide and conquer strategy, here maximum and the minimum can be checked easily. Usually it takes 2 into n minus 1 comparisons, but then if we do it recursively, it will lead to fewer comparisons. So let's say if I divide the array into 2 halves, then I check in the subpart what is the maximum and the minimum, and then I will combine the final maximum and the minimum. So consider if I have only one element, then I will just return that element as the maximum and the minimum. Let's say if I have 2 elements, I will check whichever is lesser, and depending upon that I will return maximum or the minimum. Now consider if I have more than 2 elements. So I'll compute the middle element, calculate max 1, minimum 1, max 2, minimum 2, and then finally final one is going to be max final, where I will compare these two values alone. So recursively find maximum and minimum for each half, and then compare the two max values, compare the two min values. Let's say if I have 3, 1, 5, 9, 2, it gets split into 3, 1, 5, 9 and 2. 3, 1, 5 further gets split into 3 and 1, 5. So at the base level I can handle single element or double element. Now single element will give me only 3. 1 and 5 will give me max to be 5, min to be 1. Now I have this information. From this I will collate the maximum and the minimum. I'll get from these two, maximum is 5, minimum is 1. This is on the left half of the list. Now for the right half of the list also it will calculate. Max equal to 9, min equal to 2. Now I have to combine this and this, the result of the left half and the result of the right half, to get 9 and 1 as the answer. So it leads to fewer comparisons and it is more efficient than linear scan. It makes good use of recursion. I'll show you the program for this. So in case if it is only one element, I return that element alone. If it is more than, if it is 2 elements, I'll compare and compute. This will be the max and this will be the min accordingly. Here, otherwise, if there are more than 2 elements, I will calculate it using mid. So I divide the array into left half and the right half, and then check the minimum and the maximum value, and then return maximum of those, the 2 portions of the list. So if this is the array, so it's giving me this is one split, this is one split that's happening. This is one split, 38, 27, 43, 3, 2. So it has split it as 38 and 27, 43, 3 and 2. And when it goes on combining, it combined this one. So it gave me 43 and 27. Then now it is combining these entire list to give me 43 and 2. On this side of the list, it was 82 and 9, 10 and 1. And then it combined to give 82 and 1. Here for this right half of the list, it gave 82 and 1. And then finally it checked 82 and 1 and 43 and 2. This was the final result that was checked to give the result as 82 and 1.